let me show you how we can enter and exit the safe mode on OPPO Find X9. So first of all, in order to go to the safe mode, we need to turn off our device. We can now press the power button and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu, and we're gonna slide it down over here in order to power off our phone. We need to wait for our phone to completely shut down. Usually you will feel like a little vibration once that happens. And after that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna press and hold the power button, and you need to, of course, hold it until you see the OPPO logo on the screen, or you will feel a little vibration. And once you feel that vibration or see the logo, you want to count to 8 and then press and hold the volume down button. So let's try it out. First power button, and then we're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and now we're gonna press and hold the volume down button, and we have to keep holding it until we actually see the lock screen. There is a chance that it won't work for the first time. The timing has to be quite right. There we go. In my case, I actually managed to open the safe mode. We can see it in the bottom left corner. So there we go. Now we are in the safe mode. And if you want to exit the safe mode, we need to simply reboot our device. So once again, I'm going to use the power button and volume up, and we just have to swipe up over here in order to reboot our phone. And that is pretty much it. Remember that whenever you go into the safe mode, the airplane mode is enabled automatically. So if you do not turn off the airplane mode, and if you exit the safe mode, go back to the normal mode, you will have to turn off the airplane mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.